Gulf Coast Community College's bustling campus in Northwest Florida brings to mind students darting from class to class under sunny skies wearing not much more than flip-flops and a tan. But what many may not know is there is a culinary experience waiting to happen if they just take a closer look.
Students that just come in and say, "What is this? I didn't know you were here. What do you do?" The actual dining room is a classroom.
La Friendise, or Anticipated Treat, has been serving up culinary goodness on the campus since 1993. According to the culinary program's student chefs, serving cuisines of the world is a rewarding experience for them and for anyone who takes advantage of the weekly lunch and dinner menu.
You get a 3-course meal for $10 that you would have to pay $40 for anywhere else, and it's something you probably won't get anywhere else. It's fun. You get to play with different types of food, and friends that had gone through the program, and they said it made it easier transitioning into other colleges.
While serving up international cuisine can be challenging, the culinary professors feel La Friendise is a valuable part of students' culinary education.
Not only getting the hands-on cooking expertise in the back, in the front they are learning about the fine dining and the service and all the appropriate setups and utensils and just all the details for fine dining. They actually learn about the history of the food and the culture and the way the cooking is done in those areas.
Anyone interested in experiencing La Friendise's top-notch cuisine can call 872-3850 for a reservation or check out the program's webpage on www.gulfcoast.edu. For Gulf Coast Community College, I'm Honey Nixon.